So I'm finna get out here and watch Poe, um, and prep these wheels. You know, we're gonna hyper dip the wheels white to match Poe. You know, Poe, the Panda Bear 5 Series 535. You know, she kind of dirty right now. Gotta get it cleaned up, get the wheels off. You know, clean those really good, and get busy. All right, so now I'm gonna get Poe pulled in the garage, get up on the jack stands, go ahead and take the wheels off, do a detail clean on those before I get ready to put the hyper dip on them. So yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Man, I like Poe, man. I don't get to drive Poe a lot. You know, this is my wife's car. This her choice. You know, we gonna make this thing mean though. Yes, sir. Think y'all gonna play with her at the light? You gonna be sadly mistaken, my friend. This is more than a family car. This is more than a family car. All right, so I got it pulled in. I'm gonna go ahead and get her up and take the wheels off, and we get busy. Got her up. Yeah. Now I'm gonna pull the wheels off, and then we gotta wash them real good. Wash them with some of the solution that was sent, and then we'll start getting busy. Yes, sir. Hyper dip. What a beautiful day to live. All right, so I got the wheels off. Finna get them out here, clean them up real good. Gotta clean them up real good, get all this little dirt and grime off. Then hit it with the cleaner that they provided, and then I can spray them. Gotta do work, man. Yeah, so you know, we just slowly getting ready for Beamer invasion. Next year we're gonna take everybody. I think we're gonna take Grace. We're definitely taking Emma. Poe, can't work now. Alright, so first off, I gotta apply this spray clean, just to clean off the surfaces again. Then I got this little bottle, and you apply this right here. Apply that to the tires. Dip release is what it's called. Apply that to the tires so that the plastic dip don't, or the hydro dip don't stick to the tires. So I'm finna get to that, and then yeah, we're gonna get to spraying these things. Yes, sir. So I sprayed the first coat, really light, you know. Watch, let me show you. Yeah, we're gonna get that on there real light, and then we're gonna see. We're gonna let it go like about 20 minutes. Then come back and hit it with a second coat. Alright? What a beautiful day to live. Alright, so I'm gonna start spraying the second coat. The second coat is starting to look a little more whiter. I'm gonna let it sit another 20 minutes, come back with the third coat, and then the fourth and fifth coat and stuff will start to get a little heavier. What a beautiful day to live. 2 cans down. 2 cans down. We looking pretty good. It's starting to really take some real white. Look white. Check me out. That's gonna look nasty, y'all. Might have to change Poe's name to Ghost. Boo! Yeah, man. Yeah, so we along in this process. I still got 4 cans left to spray, so they say you gotta spray all of them on there. So we just gonna take our time every 20 minutes, come back in and spray down, spray down, spray down till everything's gone. What a beautiful day to live. I got right to the end. I got some of it. I pulled off some of it. It was a little hard, bro. What a beautiful day to live. I guess these are officially my paint shoes now. Yeah, they white, they don't. Yeah, let's take a look at these. Ooh. They look even nastier the next day. Yes, sir. All right, let's go ahead and get these mounted up, man. See what they look like on the car. a hybrid dip with True. Yeah. I'll give a review later on about how it went after a few months. Let's see what the wife thinks. What do you think?
That thing was hard.
Yeah.
That's what I've been waiting on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah.